Hi everyone, I am Srisa. This is your 7th lesson in Grade 3 Social Science. Today's chapter is The Early Man. Now we are going to see our today's topic is The Early Man. About 3 million years ago, when the earth was covered with forests and fierce wild animals, the first humans took shape. Luckily for them, the last of the dinosaurs had gone from the earth much earlier. The earlier humans looked more or less like apes. Gradually, they learned to walk straight. Gradual process by which living organisms have developed since the beginning is called evolution. Now let's read about the life of early man. Food. Early man or primitive man did not know how to grow food. They dug out the roots of plants from the ground and ate them. They gathered fruits from the forest. Sometimes early man hunted animals such as deer and antelope and ate their flesh. Shelter. Early man did not live in houses like us. They lived in forests and took shelter under trees and in caves. These caves protected them from wild animals and different weather conditions. Tools. It was very difficult for early man to use his hands to dig the ground or kill animals. So he started using stones for digging and hunting animals. When the early humans found sharp stones, they chipped them and shaped them into tools to hunt animals, cut wood, etc. These stone tools brought about a big change in the life of early man. These tools were mainly used for cutting meat and animals' bones, peeling off animal skins or hides and barks from trees, making spears and arrows for hunting, digging the ground to take out roots. The toolkit of early man included many implements like knives, scrapers, spears, blades, and axes, etc. Use of fire. Fire was not known to the early man. Probably he discovered it by chance. While using stones to make tools, he rubbed two stones together, which protected a spark. Perhaps some dry twigs caught fire from these sparks. Thus, early man learned how to make fire from stones. When early man saw that the wild animals were afraid of fire, he started using it for his protection. He would light a fire in his cave and keep it burning, and the wild animals would not come near him. The warmth from the fire also protected him from cold. Gradually, early man found out that if a piece of flesh was roasted on fire, it tasted better. He found that the roasted food was softer and tastier. Maybe that is how early man learned the use of fire for cooking. Clothes. Early or primitive man had very limited needs. He gathered food only when he felt hungry. Similarly, he covered his body to protect himself from rain and cold. For this purpose, he wore the hide of dead animals. He also wore leaves and barks of tree. Art of early man. When early man started living in caves, they began drawing on the walls and ceilings of the caves. The drawings gradually turned into beautiful paintings and sculptures. They drew the figures of different wild animals that they saw in the forest. These drawings were also used by early man to express his feelings and send messages. The animals drawn in cave paintings were drawn with attention to detail, but the human figures were usually stick figures. I hope that you understand our today's topic. Now I have planned to give you an activity. Refer your concept book in the page number of 90 and answer the following questions. Do one document. Get into groups of 6. Select any 2 food items from the list given below. You can bring the items in raw form and roasted form. The groups may taste the raw and roasted items and find out which one tastes better. The food items which can be brought are tomato, green peas, paneer, corn cobs, spinach, cabbage, beans, and any other food items that you like. Answer the following questions. Your first question is, list the raw items you tasted. List the raw items you tasted. Your second question is, list the roasted items you tasted. List the roasted items you tasted. Your third question is, which food items tasted better, raw or roasted? Which food items tasted better, raw or roasted? I hope that you all enjoyed our today's class. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you. Hi everyone.